up? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Sophia. Today's video is an Afro Barbie tutorial, a Nigerian Barbie tutorial, okay? So let's get started, get into it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna start with my brows as usual. I'll be using this pencil. The brand name is Real Hair. And it just says I am inspiring. I totally love the pencil. I've never heard of the brand before. I got it from BoxyCharm, so it is what it is. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna fill in the end of my brows using the Morphe chocolate mousse. I realized I didn't powder my brows, so I'll go in with some of the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder number 40 in dark. I've really been loving pencils lately. I tried using the gel just on its own. My brows never come out perfectly just with the gel alone. It kind of seems, I don't want to say too light, but it just doesn't look right. It doesn't look as perfect as, you know, I kind of want it to look. So yeah. By the way, what do you guys think about my hair? I feel like I haven't done a video. I kind of dyed it blonde. I'm gonna get a real haircut. A real banging haircut very soon. Not right now. Right now your girl is tired. Okay guys, so brows are done. I just wanted to do them off camera because whenever I'm talking and doing my brows, I always end up drawing Auntie Ramuta's brows. But I think I got it together. It looks good. So let's move on to the eyes. For today's look, I'm gonna be using the BPerfect Carnival 3 palette. I know you guys have seen me use this in a lot of my videos. It is absolutely one of my favorite palettes right now. I promised to swatch it, but I never did. I'm sorry guys. I am whichever which way. It's a really good palette. Color payout is great. There is quite a bit of fallout going on, but it's a great palette. The color scheme, this color combination, it's not the most pigmented, but if you use it right with the right bases, you can get some real good stuff, you know. So let's go on. I'm gonna be using most of the pinks because we are going for a Barbie look, not Barbie, okay? We're going for Barbie, an Afro Barbie, okay? I'm gonna start by priming my lids as usual, and I will be using the Plouise base. This is the base shade 3 or the Rumor 3. I'm gonna start with Fruity, which is this vibrant purple. You guys know I love my purples, okay? So we're gonna use this. Just really focusing on this area, the outer V. I'm just gonna take it outwards, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna try and, I want like a cat eye, you know, effect. So I'm just gonna take it this way, you know, intensify the cat eyes, okay? Now we're gonna move on to a different color. I'm gonna be using a pink. This pink is very bright, like all my African Barbies. This one is called Pink Lily, okay? So I'm gonna take this one just above the purple. Just gonna dust that. And I am just gonna blend. Then again, I already have a video about how to blend your eyeshadows, so I might just be skipping all the talk, all the long talk. Make sure to check out that video if you haven't already. Kind of feels like I've done this look before with one of my Juvia's plays. I'm not sure what, yeah, it's kind of similar, but I think this time I made it matte with glitter. So yeah, but I think I prefer this look so far. This is so pretty. And we're going to add some, you know, some nice jewels after, because as an African Barbie, you just have to do the lot. You have to do a lot. You have to do the most. You have to make them see you, because I feel like we are almost invisible at this point. So after this glitter, this is not the end of it though. We'll still add more things. Just hold on, okay? Hold on, people. We're getting there. Now to further blend, we'll go into this one here. This one's called Lilac. The colors in here, like, I always want to reach out to this palette just because it's so pretty. It has all the colors I love. I'm a very big purple. I don't think I'm huge on pinks, but purples and sometimes pinks and purples. Good. I love my reds and my oranges. It's got that. I don't know if I'm into whatever's going on this side, but who knows, one of these days I might hit you out with a green tutorial. If you like to see it, let me know, okay? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm just gonna take Lilac just above. It's very light, so it's just perfect for blending. Yeah, but I'm kind of leaving this area just blank because I feel like it gives it a little, it gives it kind of a vibe. That's what I have to say. That's it. Let's move on. I am going to what do they call them? Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't know what's going on. I can't speak. I'm going to go in with my Plouise base. Again, same base shade 3. I'm just gonna do a simple cut crease. This African Barbie does not like to stress herself. I'm not stressing myself to cut any sacred perfect crease. Not right now. I'm not in the mood. So we are going to do a slight cut crease. This is a cheat sheet. You just put some of the base, and now just gonna draw a small semicircle. You guys already know how to cut your creases, I think. I'm gonna go in with the same lilac. This color is so pretty, so soft, okay? Because my African Barbies are hard on the outside like this and then soft on the inside. Abby? No? Okay. Whatever. I think. I'd like to think, okay? So I'm just gonna pat that all over the lid area, or the cut crease I should say. Okay, so now that we got the soft interior and hard exterior, we need a little bit of a meeting ground, okay, where they kind of merge. Yeah, y'all, I don't know anymore. Anyways, I'm gonna be using this one here. This one is called Tahiti. Just put it in the middle. Just gonna go in with a blending brush, just buff that in the middle, because transition, people, transition. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty. Now I think we're ready to move on to the next part, which is actually the good part, the extraness. So I've been loving these glitters from Jlaruecosmetics. I want to think that the J is silent. I think it's Jlaruecosmetics. They're on Instagram. You guys should check them out. I do think that the glitters are they're about $11 US. To me, it's quite pricey, but honestly, these glitters are like one of the best I have ever used. I haven't used a lot of glitters, to be honest, but these are really good is all I can say. Okay, and sometimes they have discounts. Just check them out, guys, if you're looking for a great place to get glitters. They have a lot of variety too as well. I used one of their glitters in my last video. I think that was called Cherry Blossom, the red one. Absolutely pretty. And now I'm gonna use this one. This one's in pink. This one's called Paris. Oh, I've never been. I'd love to someday. Okay. Right now, let's focus on this tutorial. So I like to use either the glitter glue from Too Faced, but I don't know where that thing is. So today we're going to use we're going to use eyelash adhesive. We're going to be using this one from Kiss, I believe. I just want to put the glitter just here, just in this middle zone where we put in Tahiti, where both colors kind of merge, where we can have our transition going on. You guys already know what I mean, okay? I'm sorry if I'm so extra, y'all. I don't know how else to be right now. I just have to be extremely happy, okay? Because either extremely happy or extremely sad, and I'm not doing that sadness. Sadness is not my portion. It's not your portion. I think glitter makes everything so pretty, and this one just on the purples, it's just giving me like fairy tale vibes, unicorn vibes. That's my ish, some magical ish. Yeah, this our Afro Barbie is magical, and so are all of you, okay? So are all my Afro Barbies and all my Barbies that resonate with this tutorial. If you don't resonate with this tutorial, you have a problem. You have an issue, okay? What is it? What do you want? So guys, I got my lashes on. I just quickly put them on off camera. These lashes are from Amazon. It comes in a pack of 4 for $13. I believe I showed it on my Instagram. I absolutely love it. I think it's the second time I am using this. You won't even notice it. It looks brand new. It blends right into the lash line. I just love the quality. It has a very nice thin band. I could go on, but it's a really good lash. Okay, check it out if it's still available. I'm gonna line my eyes and blend my lashes together. I'm gonna be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in black, or black bean. For our under eyes or lower lids, I'm gonna go in with Blackberry. because again, the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that. Kind of looks like I already ruined the look, so I'm gonna lighten it up a little. I think we should use this vibrant pink, the pink lily. Just work that just right underneath. That way we kind of have like a blue purple, sorry, blue pink kind of gradient type thing going on. Oh, that looks pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. See guys, never freak out when you're doing your makeup, okay? Worst case scenario, you clean that ish and start all over again. You don't want to mess with this Barbie. This Barbie is not Abina Barbie. This Barbie is not your mate. Okay? I'm just gonna clean up the excess. I am gonna prime. I'll be using the Morphe foundation primer. Next up, foundation. I'll be using the NYX Born to Glow foundation in Cappucino. I'm really gonna go in with the contour today because Afro Barbie is contoured. She's quite chiseled, okay? She's quite extra. We are going to eliminate these eye bags because Afro Barbie is well rested. Me myself, I am quite tired, but Afro Barbie has the energy, okay? So I just quickly set my face. I used the Morphe Banana Rich powder. You guys know this is my favorite thing at this time. I feel like I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer like in every video, so we're gonna switch it up today, okay? We're gonna use some black owned brand. We're gonna use Fenty. So we're gonna use Fenty chocolate bronzer, and to set it I'm gonna be using Mocha Mami, which is this beauty. I feel like I've used it only once. I don't know what's going on, but it's high time I used all the things that I've been purchasing, okay? I'm gonna be using my gemstones. I decided on them. I just have to. They're so cute and they have like all these little openings. Again, this is from Amazon. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one here. Do you guys see that? Automatically, we're looking good. So I really like it. I think I'm just gonna do one here and one here. So pretty. It's so pretty. Next up, mascara. I'm gonna go in first with the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer, and then I'll go in with the Lash Paradise Mascara. I like to give my primer a couple minutes to kind of dry down. So while that's dry, I don't know what kind of English I am speaking. So while that's drying down, I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm gonna be using an eyeshadow as a blush today because I think I could use, I don't have like a wide array of blushes. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix a little something. I really love Pink Lily. I think she's quite on the bright side, but I think she's beautiful regardless. So I'm just gonna dip in a little and just slightly work that on my cheeks. Now, if I could think of a blush that a Barbie would put on, it has to be the Artist Couture Purple Dream. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use today. Very pretty. Just gotta be light-handed with this highlighter. A little goes a long way. It is crazy pigmented. The highlighters are quite expensive. I checked their site and I was like, what prices are these? Now that I think about it, I think anytime I do a pink purple look, I always kind of reach out to this highlighter. It completes the vibe, guys. It just does. Okay, for lip liner today, I'm gonna be using the Morphe Date Night pencil. It's kind of a dark plum, I believe. I think I really want my lips to be extra voluptuous, okay? Because we the African Barbies, extra on the lips, honey. Extra on the lips. Okay, so I'm just gonna outline them a little more than normal. I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss from Steve Laurant, and this one's called Posh. It's one of my favorites. It's more on the warm nudish side. I like it, but I don't think it's enough. So what I'm gonna do is go in with, I want to use Ruby Milk, but this one is kind of red. I don't think, let me try. I actually like this color. I want to do something nude, but I think this comes together nicely. It kind of reminds me of those Nigerian girls that will line their lips with black and then they'll put, you know, some kind of color. There's a way they do it. It's kind of like an ombre lip. I don't know if I like it or I don't. I just feel quite confused. Hey, just my personal opinion, but to each his own. Okay, So we're pretty much done with the face, okay? But you guys know we need a wig, okay? Because this is not the look. Now for Afro Barbies, you need an Afro wig. I've used this in one of my tutorials a long time ago when I did the butterfly effect. Yeah, this wig is voluptuous. It's voluminous. It's big energy. It just fits perfectly. I don't even have to cut anything off. So here we go, Afro Barbs, almost, okay? So I'm just gonna go wear my Barbie outfit, okay? Put on some Barbie nails. This Afro Barbie like some hoops. Okay, and I'll be right back, okay? Don't go nowhere. Wahala for who ends my video right now. Wahala. And while you're at it, why wait for me to come back? Please subscribe, like this video, okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we've come to the very end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I had a really good time. Honestly, these are the type of tutorials I want to be doing going forward. You guys should not be mad. I know many people subscribe because I was reviewing palettes. But honestly, I don't even know. I'm not even in all the palettes I've been reviewing. They're just sitting down here. I haven't even done anything with them. I rather put the items that I have purchased into good use, okay? So I was thinking we could just stick with the whole transformational videos even after Halloween, okay? All right, we're just gonna keep it cute and fun and nice. I have a lot of ideas. Hey, I guess we'll find out if they are good ideas or bad ideas, but basically I made up my mind. Any day I am inspired is when I will do my tutorials. So basically I just really want to stick to things that give me joy. 2020 has been so sad and up and down. I just want to do what truly makes me happy. I really love makeup, but I honestly don't like reviewing palettes. It's like a job, okay? And it's like a job that I don't want to have. Okay, I just want to do some fun stuff, some cool stuff, some chill videos, okay? So hopefully you guys like this one. I really like this Afro Barbie. This Afro Barbie is a spice. She's a mixture of spices. It's a combination of spices, okay? Hot chili, cayenne pepper. This is what this is, okay? But in pink. But I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave all your comments in the comment section. If you ask me, I will give myself a 10 out of 10. But I'll let you guys be the judge and the jury, okay? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, okay? All right, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Wahala for who never subscribe for my YouTube channel. If I catch you, there's going to be an issue, okay? Don't make this African Barbie upset, okay? I have gone through all of this painting, wigging, nailing, like, please. Subscribe, join the fam. I love you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.